हाय दोस्तों, कैसे आप लोग। माई सेल्फ सी अभिषेक बंसल, मैं मुंबई से पढ़ाता हूँ लॉ एंड ऑडिट से इंटर सी ए फाइनल वालों को। सो फॉर दिस वीडियो इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, वेरी इंफॉर्मेटिव वीडियो फॉर ऑल दोस किड्स हु गोना अपीयर फॉर सी ए इंटरमीडिएट, या तो ग्रुप 1 या तो ग्रुप 2 इन September 26 और January 7। आई होप आप लोग सब बहुत बहुत शानदार होंगे, फिर से पढ़ाई कर रहे होंगे। जिनका पहली बार अटेम्प्ट है उन्होंने पढ़ाई बहुत जोरों से शुरू कर दी होगी, बिकॉज अभी जून एंड आ गया है। हमारे पास बचता है जुलाई, अगस्त, बस 2 ही महीना बचता है। ठीक है, हमारे पास अभी है 60 डेज मान के चलते हैं हम लोग हमारा सी इंटर के एग्जाम के लिए। जो बच्चे Jan 27 दे रहे हैं उनके पास तो और भी है, जुलाई है, अगस्त है, सितंबर है, अक्टूबर है, नवंबर है, दिसंबर है, तो उनके पास तो 6 महीना है। ठीक है, 6 महीना। ना आज मैं ये वीडियो लेकर आऊँ उन बच्चों के लिए जिनका अटेम्प्ट September 26 एंड Jan 27 में है। एंड अगर आप दे रहे हैं या तो ग्रुप 1 या तो ग्रुप 2, या तो आप ग्रुप 1 दे रहे हो या तो आप ग्रुप 2 दे रहे हो। सो गाइस, आई एम कमिंग अप विद एन अपकमिंग बैच ऑफ CA इंटर लॉ and CA Inter Audit. It's a fast track batch wherein I'm going to teach you face to face. If you are from different city, you can attend live at home. या आपको ट्रैवल फीसिबल नहीं है, आपको टाइम बचा है, तो यू कैन वॉच लाइव एट होम, और यू कैन टेक रिकॉर्डेड कंटेंट इन केस आपका टाइमिंग मैच नहीं हो रहा है तो इधर फेस टू फेस और लाइव एट होम और रिकॉर्डेड। ठीक है, नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट वन बाय वन। Now, so this is CA Inter Law Crash Course batch. It is live at home also. It is face to face also. So live at home guys होने वाला है मुंबई में, ठीक है, and in Hindi English, and I'll be traveling to Bangalore also. People who are from Bangalore, you can attend this lecture in Bangalore. Okay, that is 100% English. So the modes are, you'll have face to face. You can come to the class, attend the lecture with me. Or you can attend live at home also. It's a recorded batch also. You can take recording also. You'll have one free test. I'll be taking the test in the class itself, and you'll be writing that paper, and I'll be evaluating the paper. Then all the doubts will be solved in the class itself. Plus you'll have Telegram access. You can connect to the Telegram, shoot your doubts, and till the exam day. So for example, if you are registered for September exam, till the exam day, I'll be mentoring you over the call or over messages. Okay, so I'll be there to support you. Okay, you will get hard copy of the book, plus you will get a compiler. So the compiler will be sending in soft copy. This is law ka compiler which cover all the question till Jan 26. Okay, so I have covered all the chapters here. So all the chapters ka compiler is there. We'll be solving the questions in the class. May 26, which happened in the last attempt. Okay, May 26 ka question will be solving in the class itself, because the suggestion is not yet out. By the time I take this batch, then it will be out. Okay, now I'll give you the dates also when it is. So face to face are at two places. One is in Mumbai, other one is in Bangalore. So we're starting on 1st July till 5th of July 26, 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Here in Bangalore, we are starting on 21st of July till 31st of July, 2:30 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. So Bangalore, Bombay, these are the dates guys. You can attend face to face, you can attend live at home. Bombay is always Hindi English, and Bangalore is in 100% English. So for all the South students who are watching me right now, you can visit, you can attend, you can do live at home, you can take recorded session and clear your law exam. Also very important, we'll be doing a writing practice also every day. We're going to write one or two answers in the class itself, and which I'll be evaluating how you have done the presentation. Because the problem with law is people understand, people read it also, people do not know how to write. Okay, now this is about law. Now audit may we have a recorded batch available, Hindi English. Okay, and 100% English also. It's a crash course batch, you can buy it. It's a recorded batch. I'm not taking a live till now. In case if the demand arises, then I'll take a recorded batch in a live at home batch or a face to face batch. in the month of August. But July mein I'm just doing law ka batches. Okay. In case there is a demand, we will do a live batch also, but that is subject to demand in the August month. So right now, if you want to finish, if you are appearing for group 2, you can watch recorded content and clear your exam. Okay. Now, so this is Mumbai ka poster. All these teachers are taking. So I'm starting on 1st to 5th July, 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Okay. Advanced accounts is from 16th to 20th August, 16th July to 20th August. Notice mistake. I think it is 16th to 20th August. Okay. 16th July to 20th August. Okay. And DT is recorded and IDT is also live. Face to face will be held at Borivali branch. Will be taken in Borivali, Mumbai. This is Bangalore ka poster. So starting on 9th July, 20th July, that's Saurabh sir will be taking DAX. Rajvardhan sir will be taking accounts. I'll be taking law. Ramesh Soni sir will be taking IDT. Okay. So this is Bangalore. Bangalore will be having the classes at Jayanagar branch. You can do live online, you can do recorded, you can do face to face, whatever is your comfort. How to register? So you go to our website, letslearnindia.in. You go to CA, you go to CA Intermediate. Can you see the CA Inter Law Crash Course Batch face to face live September 26, January 27, May 27. Okay, live at home, recorded is also there. 100% English. This is for all the people who want to appear for law paper in 100% English from South India. This is Hindi English batch. So for all the Mumbai students and North India students, you can buy this batch. So it's just below each other. So you have to click here. You have to go and register. So this is hard copy. This is recorded. This is face to face. This is live at home. And this is with 6 months validity. Here it is 4 months validity. So for example, if I want to attend face to face, I click on this. I go to buy now, put your details and get an access to it. Okay. I hope guys I get to see you in class. So all those people who are having a problem in law paper or an audit paper, okay, watch these lectures, come attend face to face, attend live, do practice with me and let's clear it out. Okay. So I'll be there till your exam day, till 2 p.m. I'll be there with you to support you to clear law ka paper. Okay. One step if I am taking, one step you also take. Cool. Chalo, we meet you in the class. Okay, either face to face or live at home or recorded session. Okay, bye guys, take care, enjoy and aim for a rank or 70 plus, which is earlier. In case if you have any doubt, any confusion or anything, discount, anything, any issues you have, you can contact on the number given below 844-844-8919. Okay, or you can visit 998, or one other number is there 9987045565. You can call on this number. Okay, bye guys, take care.